welcome to Pacific Echo. For this video here, we are going to find the length of the hypotenuse given here on this right angle triangle. So before we find the length of this hypotenuse on this right angle triangle, first of all, you need to understand, or we need to understand, the equation of Pythagorean Theorem. So the equation of Pythagorean Theorem is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. So this is the equation of Pythagorean Theorem that we are going to use to find the value of the hypotenuse or this given right angle triangle. Now, one thing that I want you to take note of is in a right angle triangle, the length of the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the other two sides. Therefore, if we know the length of any two sides of the right angle triangle, then we can calculate the length of the third side. So we know the length of the two sides here, so we are going to use these two lengths to find the length of the hypotenuse given here. So without any delay, let's move on straight and solve the equation here, or find the length of the hypotenuse. So now we know the equation here. We are going to use this equation to find the length of the hypotenuse. So there we go. We are going to substitute this into the given formula here. So we have 5 square plus 4 square is equals to y square. So we make y square become the subject. Now 5 square is equals to 25 plus 4 square is equals to 16, and 25 plus 16 is equals to 41. And now we are going to find the square root of 41. So the square root of 41 is equals to 6.4. Now if you use your calculator to do the calculation and find the square root of 41, you will end up getting a lot of decimal numbers, or a lot of number after the decimal point. For this case here, we are rounding the decimal numbers to one decimal place. So the length of the hypotenuse here is 6.4. So there you go. This is how you can find the length of the hypotenuse on a given right angle triangle. I hope you understand this, and I'll catch you in the next video.